I'm so glad you were able to thoroughly explain that to me. Unfortunately, I'm really fucking stupid and you're gonna have to explain it yet again. I'm so sorry.
Guys, it is so spooky out. I sure hope a sexy werewolf doesn't come out of the darkness to kiss me. That would really suck if a sexy werewolf came out of the darkness to kiss me.
It is a wonderful life. Please could you kiss my name when the music's over? Turn off the light. It was such a sweet time. Could you pray for me, my friend? It's starting overtime. Take over the night. Take over the blue time. If you heard that screaming, shout in your mind. Take over.
This scene.
Let go of me, asshole.
Stay still.
Why?
The fog hasn't lifted from this area. I'd rather not have to protect you against your own special ability at this very moment.
It's still not over?
Afraid not. It's just beginning.
Damn it. Well, I'm not going anywhere right now. I think I'm gonna pass out.
Ha! Gay!
You're so mean to me sometimes.
I'm not mean to you, you're just dumb.
He's kind of mean to me sometimes. And he says, dumb idiot. And I look at myself in the mirror and I say, dumb idiot. You're why I'm insecure.
Uh-huh, what'd you say?
I'll probably never get married.
You know, I actually married my best friend.
Really? Don't even think about it. We don't have to do it, but I'm still gonna think about it. See what you started.
Here comes the boy. Hello.
Son of a...
Watch your language.
Fun.
You're close.
Frick.
Don't test me.
Shoot, dang it.
Oh my god.
Ass.
Yo, today we're gonna make ochatsuke from bungou stray dogs, which is basically tea on rice. Before you judge, maybe you should give it a try, 'cause it definitely surprised me. In a bowl of rice, add in salmon, shio kombu, ume, and green onions. Ta-da! All you gotta do now is fill it up with your favorite tea. I chose you, cute tea. Added in soy sauce for the flavor. Let's give it a try. Saltiness from the salmon, tartness from ume, and a little bit of ocean from kombu somehow perfectly balances out the bitterness of the tea. And I finished it up.
Do I think I can take Mr. X? I mean, yeah, he's not that big. Oh, you mean like in a fight?
No.
She gon' flirt in front of her nigga. She like Fago, you getting bigger. I remember when you was a little nigga. I got shots like that boy Tigger. No, you and me put no trigger. Don't wanna have to
私はあなたと心中するために今日まで生きてきたのです。きっとそうです。だぜ。
I stay awake at night because I don't even know what my favorite color is, and I'm afraid I don't have a real personality.
These are the days